Assalamu alaikum student, hope you all are good at your home. Today we are going to discuss the first topic of the first chapter, that is the concept of teaching. Teaching and learning are the twin activities involve the total educative process. In this sense, teaching and learning are inseparable. This makes the relationship between the teaching and learning the same as that which exists between the mother and the child, the teacher and the taught. In the educative process, the teacher is to teach and the child is to learn. So, teaching is a process of imparting knowledge and guiding the pupils to learn through their own activities, training their emotions and developing their power and capacities. Teaching, the profession of those who give instruction, especially in an elementary, secondary. In the late 20th century, it was estimated that there were 30 million teachers throughout the world. But their roles and responsibilities and function vary from country to country. There are three subgroups of teachers: primary school, elementary school teachers, secondary school teachers, and of course university teachers. So, what is the concept of teaching? Actually, teaching derived from to teach, which means to instruct. Teaching is a process in which one individual makes something known to another individual. If we see the narrow meaning of teaching, teaching is a bipolar process. Teaching is the act of imparting instruction to the learner in the classroom situation according to the traditional concept of teaching. In traditional classroom teaching, the teacher gives information to the student, or one of the students reads from a textbook while the other students silently follow him in their not merely imparting knowledge or information. According to the modern concept of teaching, teaching is a tripolar process. And in this process, teacher, student, curriculum and society are included. According to the modern concept of teaching, teaching is to cause the pupil to learn and acquire the desired knowledge, skills and also desirable ways of living in the society. So, it is a process in which learner, teacher, curriculum and other variables are organized in a systematic and psychological way to attain some predetermined goal. What is the importance of teaching? Actually, teaching is an important aspect in the process of education. Its special function is to impart knowledge, develop understanding and skills. Teaching is of course a two-way. So, teaching includes all activities providing education. Through teaching, the teacher aims at giving some knowledge to the student, passing some information to them, making the student acquire some skills, changing the attitudes of the learner and modifying the behavior of the student. Now I will discuss the different definitions of teaching. According to H.C. Morrison, teaching is an intimate contact between a more mature personality and less mature one, which is designed to further the education of the latter. According to N.L. Gage, teaching is a form of interpersonal influence aimed at changing the behavior potential of another person. Be this made explained, teaching is a system of action intended to produce learning. Albrecht explained the supreme art of teaching is to awaken joy in creative expression. According to Rayburn, teaching is a relationship which keeps the child to develop all his powers. And Britton's view, teaching is the stimulation, guidance, direction and encouragement of learning. Now I will discuss with you the characteristics of teaching. Teaching is an interactive process. This is a two-way communication. Teaching is both formal and informal. Teaching is art, craft as well as science. Teaching is not one-sided. Actually, teaching is a two-way communication. Teaching is a planned activity. Teaching is diagnostic. Teaching is dominated by communication skills. Good teaching is democratic. And teaching cause motivation. Teaching is personal, professional in character. Thank you.